Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making soft, fudgy and completely eggless brownies in Katori bowls. Perfect for portion size indulgence. Let's start the recipe. Place a bowl over warm water. It's called double boiler method. Add half cup butter and half cup dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate completely. Always melt chocolate slowly over warm water to avoid burning. The first brownies are made without chocolate, only molasses. The fudgy texture comes from using less flour and more fat. Eggless brownies are loved worldwide for being lighter and suitable for vegetarian. Now add half cup milk, half cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Now sieve in 3/4 cup flour and 3 tablespoon cocoa powder. Mix gently into a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter or brownies will turn hard. Grease Katori bowls with a little oil. Greasing Katori bowls ensure easy removal after baking. Pour in the batter. And top with some chocolate chips. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and boosts mood. Homemade brownies allow you to control sugar and fat levels. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the bowls inside. Cover and cook for 18 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Portion-sized Katori brownies help prevent overeating. Pairing with milk makes it a wholesome snack for kids. Our fudgy and soft eggless brownies in Katori bowls are ready. Try this easy recipe at home and surprise your family. Do you love your brownies fudgy or cakey? Share your answer in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies.